reproductive system of earthworm, in that, as you know, that earthworm is a bisexual organism, or else you call hermaphrodite or monoecious organism, right? So bisexual meaning in that testes and ovary both are present. First, we will learn that male reproductive system of earthworm, then female reproductive system of earthworm. But remember, both system present in a same individual, right? First, male reproductive system. See, understand over here. Main primary sex organ for male, that's the testis, right? Main primary sex organ for the male, that's the which one? Testis. Testis, in that spermatogenesis process occur, so the sperm will be produced. Now, so where are these testes located in this earthworm? Location, remember, 10th segment and 11th. 11th में यहाँ पे visible नहीं है, आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में भी visible नहीं है. Okay, otherwise, okay, at the end I will make diagram in that you can easily understand. But just imagine, over here, this is the testis, this part, folded part. Same folded part present over here also in 11th segment, right? So two pairs of testes are there. One pair of testes is located in 10th number segment. Other pair of testes located in 11th number segment. Now, when you see the testes, actually this folded structure like this. ऐसा है testis. And in this testis over here, sperm production occur. Right? Next thing, after that, after the testis, next part that we call vasa differentia. Testis leads to what? Vasa differentia. Okay, just a second. Right? Here in the 10th number segment, one pair of testis. Same in the 11th. Over here, testis is there. Now from each testis, that vas deferens arise, and that runs up to the 18th number segment like this. फिर इससे भी एक vas deferens आएगा. Same structure from here. Right? Next. In this 17, 18, 19, 20 segment over here, one of the gland is present. That gland we call prostate gland. Okay, here which gland is present? Prostate gland. And just a second. Just the beginning of the 18th segment over here, this vas deferens join to this prostate at this beginning point. Okay, this vas deferens join to the which one? Prostate gland. Right? Next thing, after the prostate gland, with the prostate gland, that prostatic and spermatic duct arise from this part, and that opens over here on the sides. And this are behaves as a what? पता है 18th number segment, male genital openings are there. ventrolateral position, external features में किया था, right? So with this system, that male genital pores are present in the 18th segment on a ventrolateral position, right? आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में जो डायग्राम दिया है वो थोड़ा लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूजिंग है, so simple understand in this way. Testes, two pairs of testes first of all, 10th and 11th number segment. From each testis, vas deferens duct arise. This duct carry the sperm which are formed in a testis. Next, this vas deferens runs up to the 18th number segment and join to the prostate gland. Next, prostate gland, right, secrete their prostatic secretion. Vas deferens यहाँ पे join हो रहा है. So देखो मैं साइड पे यहाँ पे एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाती हूँ कि यहाँ पे प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड है, राइट. नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट ओवर हियर वास deferens coming. Next, after that, prostate gland secretion that helps in to activate the sperm. Prostate gland secretion helps in what? To activate the sperm, right? So sperm present over here, and after that, with that prostatic secretion over here, the duct arise. So ये जो duct है उसमें कौन सा पार्ट आएगा? One, that is the sperm. Okay, यहाँ से sperm आएंगे. Second thing is what? This prostatic secretion also. So sperm plus prostatic secretion, or this structure we call spermatic duct as well as prostatic duct. Common spermatic prostatic duct, this one, and which opens outside as a male genital opening. बोलिए, इतना क्लियर है आपको? फर्स्ट मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में फर्स्ट टेस्टिस, vas deferens, then prostatic gland, and then common prostatic spermatic duct which open outside as a male genital opening, right? Next structure is this testes are enclosed over here in a testis sac. ये testis sac है, sac like structure. One pair of testes enclosed in a one testis sac, other pair of testes enclosed in a second testis sac. So testis sac, this is the testis sac, bag like structure in which the testes are enclosed. So if anyone has their location, then remember over here that's the same 10th and 11th segment, right? Now one more structure is present over here with this 10th number के जो sperms है, okay, over here, see the now section over here. Right? Here one pair of testes, other pair of testes. Next, exactly below each testis, a funnel-like structure is present, which is ciliated also. Right? And this part leads to what? That's the seminal vesicle. This part opens into seminal vesicle. तो 10th नंबर के सेगमेंट्स में जो स्पर्म फॉर्म होंगे, see, first of all, two pairs of seminal vesicles are there. One pair of seminal vesicle located in now 11th segment. This is the 10th segment, this is the 11th. Next, other pair of testes located in, seminal vesicle located in which one? 12th number segment. Right? See, first we have learned the simple pathway, testes to vas deferens to prostate gland and common duct and male genital opening. Testes to vas deferens, the sperm are coming. Okay. Before that, which structures are there in between them? So testes, below the testes, Just imagine from the testes that sperms are produced, and these sperms enter into this spermatical funnel. These sperms then enter into which part? This seminal vesicle over here. Seminal vesicles का function होता है to store the sperm. Seminal vesicle का function क्या होता है? To store the sperm, right? And gradually the sperm become mature. Once the sperm become mature, again it come back to the which part? This part. That's the testis sac. And यहाँ पे क्या होगा? That vas deferens is there, right? So here the vas deferens is present. So this sperm, mature sperm, now enter into which one? Vas deferens. So first pathway is what? That testis में sperm production. Then next, with the help of this spermatical funnel, it enter into seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle में temporary storage होता है of sperm. In that they get mature. जो testis में sperm produce होता है ना, वो mature नहीं होते. They are immature, right? Humans may be same, male humans may be same. So seminal vesicle is there. Seminal vesicle in that the storage of sperm, and once the sperm become mature, this sperm released into which part? Testis sac. Testis sac में फिर क्या है? Yes, vas deferens. So through the vas deferens, this sperm come to the which part? Prostate gland. Prostate gland में secretion होगा. So prostatic secretion helps in to activate the sperm. उसमें motility आ जाएगा. And then this, from this prostate gland, one duct arises that we call common prostatic spermatic duct, which open outside as a male genital opening. बोलिए, क्लियर है आपको ये पाथवे? One more time. Okay. 10th number segment, first of all, remember testis, sac are present. See the diagram of your textbook. Right? 10th number segment, can you make out this structure? This is the testis sac. This is another testis sac. Right? So here, one pair of testis, then one more over here. Right? Just behind this structure. तो यहाँ पे draw नहीं किया है. But you have to understand. Two pairs of testes are there. One in 10th number segment, other in 11th number segment. Next, can you make out over here that spermatical funnels are present? This is the spermatical funnel. यहाँ पे ये structure है, देखो, below the testis. Right? Then see, spermatical funnel leads to what? This seminal vesicle. यहाँ पे भी same है. Right? And then can you make out over here? See, this is the vas deferens. ये part है. Same यहाँ पे भी आएगा एक vas deferens. Right? So testis, spermatical funnel, again two pairs, one in 10th number segment, other in 11th number segment. Seminal vesicles, again two pairs, but here the location is what? 10th number के sperm कहाँ पे store होंगे? Seminal vesicle of 11th number segment. And 11th number के जो sperms है वो कहाँ पे होंगे? 12 number seminal vesicle. Right? After that, this sperms goes to that vas deferens, join to prostate gland, prostatic secretion activate them, then common prostatic spermatic duct arise, and then it release outside as a, it opens outside as a male genital opening. बोलिए, male pathway clear है? Male reproductive, if you have any doubt in this, कोई भी part clear नहीं है, you can ask me now. See, vas deferens का another name है spermatic duct. That's why over here we call spermatic duct or the and the prostatic duct. Vas deferens, another name, that's the spermatic duct. Okay. Next. After that, बोलिए जिल.
मैम ये एसेसरी ग्लैंड नहीं दिखाना.
Accessory glands अभी नहीं.
Okay.
Wait for that. Okay. चलिए next. After that, next thing is what? Spermatheca. We have learned already. चलिए बोलिए. Anyone tell me how many spermatheca are present in earthworm? Their location, function, everything. बोलिए कीर्तन.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there are 4 pairs of spermatheca. It is
Hmm.
present on the ventrolateral side. Now,
Hmm.
they are present in the segments 60 or 6 to 9th, and
Hmm.
their spermathecal aperture is present from 5th to 9th. Now, the
5 to 9.
spermatheca stores the sperms that are
So,
given by the deposited by the other one.
okay, spermatheca stores the sperm of the other companion earthworm, right? I told you na, this one is a bisexual, but prefers what? Cross fertilization, right? So during cross fertilization, they exchange their sperm. Ova female gamete exchange nahi karte. Which part is exchange? Remember, that's the male gamete sperm, right? So two earthworm during the mating that come close to each other and they exchange what? Their sperm. When they exchange the sperm, तो sperm कहीं पे तो store होने चाहिए body में, right? They store over here in this spermatheca part, right? चलिए, after that next, as I told you that two earthworms come close to each other and exchange the sperm, right? So during exchange the sperm, their body should be stick together very firmly. Their body should be, otherwise क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा भी movement होगा तो okay, here the chances are that to lose the sperm, but this thing never happened. Why? Exactly, you have to understand over here. You know 18th number segment में क्या है? Male genital opening, right? So two earthworms during the mating time, they meet in a such a way that, can you make out over here? They meet in a such a way that over here that, see, यहाँ पे मेल पोर लिखा है, मेल जेनाइटल पोर. तो एक अर्थवर्म का क्या होगा? मेल जेनाइटल पोर्शन. एंड अदर कंपेनियन अर्थवर्म का कौन सा पोर्शन आएगा? स्पर्मेथिका. ओके, वन फॉर विच वन? इमेजिन दैट कि एक अर्थवर्म है, उसका 18th नंबर का सेगमेंट है. दिस इज द 18th नंबर सेगमेंट. एंड अदर अर्थवर्म इज देयर. ओके, उसका इनिशियल पार्ट ओवर हियर 6, 7, 8, 9 सेगमेंट इज देयर. तो जैसे ही मेल जेनाइटल ओपनिंग से स्पर्म रिलीज होंगे आउटसाइड, they enter into this spermatheca of other one, right? Same process happen when red color का कौन सा? this one, other earthworm, उसका 18th नंबर का सेगमेंट. एंड नेक्स्ट वन उसका कौन सा आ जाएगा यहाँ पे? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, where the spermatheca is there, right? At the same time, remember, at the same time, both the earthworm exchange their sperm. Same time, remember. So simple, you have to understand the earthworm body, okay, arranged in a such a way that एक earthworm का क्या होगा? Spermatheca. तो spermathical pores जो होंगे 6, 7, 8, exactly opposite दूसरे earthworm का क्या होगा? Other companion earthworm का male genital pore, right? Same vice versa on other earthworm also companion. Remember this. एक का जहां पे मेल जेनाइटल पोर है, वहां पे दूसरे का क्या होगा? स्पर्मेथिका, राइट? सो इन दिस वे they exchange their sperm, store the sperm. This phenomenon we call copulation or mating. And जो position है opposite, okay, ये देखो यहाँ पे ये इसका anterior end है, here posterior. Here this is the anterior, this is the posterior. They lie in opposite manner, right? This position we call juxtaposition. Okay, this position we call what? Juxtaposing. Right? They lie, both the earthworm lie in an opposite direction. Remember juxtaposition time. Both earthworm exchange their sperm at the same time. एक earthworm का 18th number का segment where male genital pore is there. On other earthworm, at the exact that's the opposite side of that 18th number, that the spermatheca is there. So जैसे जैसे मेल जेनाइटल पोर्स से स्पर्म रिलीज होंगे, वो डायरेक्टली कहाँ पे एंटर हो जाएंगे? स्पर्मेथिका 6, 7, 8, 9 में, राइट? नेक्स्ट थिंग इज व्हाट दैट, सो फॉर दिस थिंग both the earthworm body should be stick firmly together, right? And for that, just adjacent to this male genital pore, जहाँ पे 18th नंबर में, सपोज okay, over here this is the 18th number segment, 17, 16 and 19. Here the prostatic gland is present, right? And male genital pore. So male genital pore present in 18th number segment. 17 and 19 में over here two pairs of glands are there. This pair of gland we call accessory glands. Accessory glands, or else we call genital papillae. During that juxtaposition, exchange the sperm. At that time, this gland perform their function. This gland secrete the secretion, glue-like secretion. So both the earthworm body will stick together, and easily the sperm exchange process can carried out. बोलिए, clear है? This is the function of genital papillae or accessory glands, and that is the reason the location given over here where male genital opening is there, right? बोलिए, इसमें किसी को डाउट है तो you can ask. Anyone? Okay, no doubt. चलिए. So this much information for the male genital pore, male genital opening, male genital pore, then entire male reproductive system. Next thing, that's the female reproductive system. Female reproductive system, in that very easy, not too much complicated like this a male reproductive system. Right? Just imagine over here that 11 number segment, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Right? Now, over here, main primary sex organ is the which one? Ovary, in which oogenesis process occur for production of ova. Right? So here, exactly between over here in this part, intersegmental septum of 12 and 13 number. Okay, 12 and 13 number segment, intersegmental septum. Remember, here the ovaries are located. Next thing, just below the ovary, जैसे testis के नीचे spermatical funnel था, यहाँ पे होता है ovarian funnel. तो जैसे जैसे ova released होंगे, they enter into this ovarian funnel. Both side ovarian funnel that leads to the oviduct. Both the oviduct join to each other and open outside. And this opening, can you tell me, is which one? Female genital opening, right? 14th नंबर में पता है ना सिंगल ओपनिंग था, 14th में सिंगल, because both the oviducts when open separately then two pores होंगे, but यहाँ पे तो क्या है, both the oviducts open, first fuse together and then open outside. That's why single median female genital pore is formed. This is the female genital pore, right? Very easy. Female reproductive system. This is the ovary. In that chains of ova are present, right? And when the maturation occurs in this ovary break and release the ova, and this ova collected by this ovarian funnel. So ova यहाँ पे enter होगा, then it and pass through this oviduct and then release outside to the female genital opening. बोलिए क्लियर है? मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. फीमेल वेरी इजी, जस्ट रिमेंबर व्हाट? ओवरी, ovarian funnel, oviduct, female genital pore. Ovary location in the intersegmental septum of 12 and 13. Next, ovarian funnel, 13 number segment. Then both the side ovarian funnel leads to oviduct. Both oviduct join to each other and form a common oviduct which open outside as a female genital pore. In the central mid central or mid ventral position in the 14th number segment. बोलिए क्लियर है? Any doubt in this part you can ask me. बोलिए जिल.
ओविडियन कौन से सेगमेंट में?
What?
ओविडियन सेगमेंट.
Ovarian funnel.
हाँ यस, ओविडियन फनल सेगमेंट.
ओवेरियन फनल 13 नंबर में है. ओविडक्ट का आप 13 14 दोनों बोल सकते हो, बिकॉज स्टार्ट होता है 13 में, एंड होता है दैट्स द 14th नंबर सेगमेंट.
ओके,
राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट, दिस टर्म prepare for NEET exam. Protandrous. Okay. When organism is bisexual, but in that still it prefer cross fertilization, right? Why? See, whenever it's self fertilization is there, then one requirement is there. Both the gametes should be formed at the same time, because each and every gamete has their viable period, living period. आप देखो ह्यूमन गैमेट है, ह्यूमन फीमेल गैमेट जो है ओवम, राइट? तो ओवम जो है ह्यूमन फीमेल में जो मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल के टाइम पे ooginess से फॉर्म होता है, राइट? 24 आवर्स का होता है. विद इन 24 आवर्स उसको अगर स्पर्म मिलता है देन फर्टिलाइजेशन अकर, अदरवाइज इट विल डिग्रेड, degenerate, mate will and soon rejoin, right? So each and every gamete has their own viable period, but this thing is necessary for what? At what time? That's when self fertilization occurs. यहाँ पे तो क्या है? क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन अर्थवर्म में, right? Why? Because testes become mature first and then ovary. So first sperm production and then ovary become mature, right? First sperm production and then ovary become mature. So whenever the first male reproductive system become mature first, we call protandrous condition. And